Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. I am out on my balcony today. The weather here in Phoenix is finally getting to be bearable, that I can be out here doing things, and I need to do some maintenance out here on some of my plants. Look how big this Eve's needle has gotten in this little pot. It is very top heavy. I have about 3 plants like that I'm going to be repotting today with you and giving them a little bit bigger home to be in. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so first thing, we got to get some rocks off here. This Eve's needle is actually one that I gave to my son, who was very, very tiny, and he recently moved and they weren't able to take it with them. So it came back to me, and I'm so glad it did because it's grown quite a bit. And now I can repot it and keep it here with me. Put those back on once I have it repotted. And I'm gonna kind of loosen it up a little. It's been in here a little while. Okay, now this is another biggie. I don't know if I even have it in frame, but look at that. Euphorbia, Trigona, the ruby kind. This is another one that I had given to my son, and it's just gone crazy with growth. So time to repot it, and I think it will be happier in a terracotta pot. I have a nice large one here that's available. I live under a pine tree, so all of my plants have all these little pine needles and stuff in them. Leaves. I'm always cleaning up the patio with these. Okay, this one here, Sedum voodoo, elephant's food? No. Cereus Monstrous Curiosity plant. Cereus Monstrous Curiosity plant, and it is a curious little plant. It's growing a lot. Look at that, how it's thickened up down there. It was about this size when I put it in here. And again, it's really top heavy for this little terracotta pot. And these are soft. They're not pokey. So, okay, so let me take you around real quick and show you. Here's the Euphorbia, Trigona, Rubra. I'm hoping that it'll get a little bit more red to it now in the winter time, but it's real happy there. A bigger pot right next to the frog with the aloe in it, and it'll be given a lot more space to grow. Here's the Curiosity plant, and I ended up potting the little cutting that I took off or peeled off of it. It had roots on it already, so I just tucked it into the same pot and help it along the way to filling in this pot. Love this little plant. Great little plant, monstrous. Cereus Monstrous Curiosity plant. Grows very fast and very hardy. And over here, Eve's needle plant, and I've got it here on the shelf, on the bottom shelf. I did take one piece off, which is right up here. I put it in its own pot, so that one can start growing. I already had roots on it and everything, and so this one is going to be right here. I think it'll do great there. Lots more room for it to grow. Well, that's it for today, friends. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do give it a like and comment down below if you have plants that you're going to be repotting soon. Here in Arizona, October, November is the fall, yes, technically, but for us it's like a second spring. Lots of planting and repotting going on, so I'll be busy the next few weeks. Thanks so much, friends, for joining me today. Have a blessed day.